plus I group, minus I group. Once again, which are plus I groups? Plus I, minus I groups. So I told you here O minus, here alkyl group. Mainly these are electron donors. Among this tertiary alkyl more donor than secondary than primary alkyl. What are the minus I groups? Jagrata vinandi nanna. Here NR3 plus, SR2 plus, NO2 group, CF3, CN, SO3H group, aldehyde group, keto group, here acid group, ester group, acid chloride group, amide group. Yesterday I have given very clearly these all are okay na? Carefully observe amide group, okay na? Fluoro group, bromo group, iodo group, OH group, OR group, SH group, SR group, SR group nana. Now amines, NH2 group, NHR group, NR2 group. Okay na? Now triple bond group, phenyl group, vinyl group, like this here, these all are there. SO3H, NO3, SR2, NO2, nitro group powerful, CF3 powerful, CN powerful, SO3H, aldehyde, keto. These all are electron withdrawing nana, electron acceptor, minus inductive affecting group. Here R group and O minus only donor, remaining all are minus I. Now yesterday we are discussing cation stability. Donors are there, cation stability increased. Withdrawing groups are there, minus groups are there, cation stability decreased. Now different examples are there. Now one more example here, CH2, CH3, ethyl. Now double bond, CH plus, triple bond plus. Like this here, cations are there, nana. Among these, which is more stable? For this carbon here, single bond, here double bond, here triple bond, nana. You know, triple bond carbon hybridization, SP. Always remember, double bonded carbon hybridization, sp2. Single bonded carbon hybridization, nana, sp3. Single bonded carbon hybridization, sp3. Double bond is there, sp2. Single bond is there, sp. So now here, based on hybridization electronegativity nothing but minus I character. More electronegativity, more minus I. Here sp carbon electronegativity more than sp2 carbon electronegativity more than sp3 nana. That's why here which is a minus I more, sp carbon minus I character more than sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon is more than sp3 nana, minus I character. Now tell me answer. Wherever minus I character more, stability less here, cation stability less. Minus I is more, cation stability less. Now, which is less stable, Nana? Then here stability order, triple bond carbon attached one is less stable. That's why single bonded carbon here plus more stable than double bonded carbon, more stable than single bonded carbon, Nana. This is the stability order among cation, double bond, triple bond, single bond. Okay, na? That is about stability. Or remember stability, triple bond, double bond. Generally, here double bonded, triple bonded, it is difficult to form. Formation highly difficult, Nana. Double bond plus. And ila double bonded carbon plus, triple bonded carbon plus, difficult to form. Difficult, less stable. Remember, like this you can write cation stability. Okay, na? Example here, carbocation. Here carbocation. Here carbocation. Like this cation. Now tell me, which is more stable? Which is more stable cation? Answer. First one here, this is a secondary cation, secondary cation, secondary cation, secondary. All are secondary, Nana. And here fluorine. Fluorine our minus I group. Chlorine also minus I group. Iodine also minus I group. You know, minus I order, fluorine greater than chlorine, chlorine greater than bromine, bromine greater than iodine, Nana. Among halogen, fluorine having greater highest electronegative atom, fluorine only. Among total periodic table, highest electronegativity approximately, this is 4, this is the 3.0, 2.8, 2.5. Electronegativity values, more electronegativity means more minus I. Now tell me, more minus I means carbocation stability less, Nana. Therefore, what is the stability order? What is the stability order? First one is more stable than 4, then 3, then 2. Like this here, stability of carbocation is there. Okay, na? Stability of carbocation. Or like that you can write stability cation. Next one, stability of anion. So carbon having negative charge. So this is called as carboanion. Here minus means electron density more. Electron density more, Nana, not deficient, more. Then how will explain the stability factor here? Here electron density more means the strain is more, pain is more. On carbon, wherever minus charge is there, their pain, strain is more. Okay, now. So whenever you want to decrease the strain, already pain is there. If you decrease the pain, that becomes stable. If further pain increase, become highly unstable. Minus and electron density more, nothing but pain, Nana. Strain. More strain unte mana stable undalem. Less strain unte. మరి దీని స్ట్రెయిన్ డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలంటే ఎవరు ఉండాలి? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉండాలి. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ యాక్సెప్టర్, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ యాక్సెప్టర్ అంటే ఎవరు? -I groups are there. -I groups are there. Then stability of anion increased. ఇప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పంపింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇచ్చేవి, నేను సింబల్ ఉంది, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇచ్చేవి ఆల్రెడీ స్ట్రెయిన్, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎక్కువ ఉండడం స్ట్రెయిన్ అయింది. ఇంకా ఎలక్ట్రాన్లు యాడ్ అయితే ఏమైంది? ఫర్దర్ స్ట్రెయిన్, పెయిన్, బాధ ఎక్కువైతే, బాధ ఎక్కువైనా కొద్ది స్టెబిలిటీ ఉండదు. దట్స్ వై +I groups are there, stability decrease. -I groups are there, stability increase. I can write here minus inductive affecting groups are there, here stability increased. Here +I groups are there, stability decreased. Okay na? -I groups are there, stability increased. +I groups are there, stability decreased. So like this here we can write carboanion stability. Now example clear, minus is there, stability increased. +I groups are there, stability decreased. Here very clear, which are +I, which are -I. These are the +I. Alkyl groups are there, oh these are the +I. Remaining all function groups are -I. Okay na? Now anion example, CH3 minus, ethyl minus, isopropyl anion, isopropyl. Now tertiary butyl anion. This is a tertiary anion, secondary anion, primary anion. 4 structures are there. Now among these 4, which is more stable, Nana? You know already, here CH3 acting, here anion, CH3 is there, +I. Here both side CH3 means, Nana, both side +I is there. Here +I, here +I, here +I, 3 side +I. Okay, number of +I increases, here anion stability decrease. Anion stability decrease with more number of donor. So that's why stability of the anion, which is more stable, 4 is more stable than 3, 3 is more stable than 2, 2 is more stable than 1. Okay na? Okay na? So like this here, stability, anion stability clear. Anion. Similar way, CH3, CH2 minus, NO2, CH2 minus, aldehyde, CH2 minus, CF3, CH2 minus, Nana. Different anions are given. So what is the stability order? All anions are primary. All anions are here primary. Primary anion only, carbanion. Now tell me answer. Here depends upon withdrawing now. Here NO2 withdrawing, -I. Aldehyde is there, -I. CF3 is there, -I, Nana. I told you clearly how to remember all this. If whether plus or minus, if you recognize, then answer become easy. So that's why I told you very clearly, learn all these, which are +I, which are -I. Okay, Nana? Very clear? Now tell me, what is the answer? Withdrawing more. Answer. Stability order. Stability order. Tell me answer. 2 greater than 3, 3 greater than 4, 4 greater than 1. No. Small correction. Here CF3 more. Here 4 more than 3. So reason here NO2 withdrawing effect more than CF3 than aldehyde nana. So withdrawing effect more, here stability more. Okay na? Similar way. Next example. Here CHO CH2 minus, CH3 CO CH2 minus, NO2 CH2 minus, here minus. So compounds are 4. Like this 4 are there. Out of these 4, which is more stable, Nana? Here aldehyde is minus I. Here keto group minus I. Here NO2 minus I. Here ester group minus I. Therefore, which is a more, you know, here NO2 strong withdrawing than aldehyde, aldehyde than ketone, ketone than ester. So minus I effect, NO2, aldehyde, keto, then ester nana. This is the minus I character. Minus I is more, stability also more. Now tell me, what is the stability order? Here, 3, nitro group more stable than aldehyde containing, then ketone containing, then ester. Like this here, we can write stability of yana and nana. These are very important. Which is more stable, which is less stable. For future lessons, these are very important. Okay. So like this here, anion stability. Next example. Here first compound. Second compound. Second compound. The third compound. Here fourth compound nana. So which is more stable? So in this case, what is there here? Here minus I, here minus I. In first structure, 2 minus I attached to CH. First, here aldehyde, here also aldehyde. This is minus I nana, this is also minus I. On carbon, both side anion. Now here aldehyde, here ketone. Here also this is minus I, this is also minus I. Fourth also ester, ketone. So here minus I, here minus I nana. In 4 structures, what is there? 2 to minus I. In 4 structure, 2 to minus I. Then what is our answer? 2 to minus I groups are there. Answer. Here number is okay. Then we'll see strength. Which is more withdrawing, which is less withdrawing, we'll check. Here already I have given nitro group, then aldehyde, then ketone, then ester. Therefore, first 2NO2 group is more stable. 2NO2 more withdrawing, more stable. One is more stable than 2-aldehyde, then aldehyde ketone, then ketone ester. Like this withdrawing groups you have to take, Nana. Based on withdrawing group, will explain stability factors. Okay, stability. Next example. Here, ethyl anion, vinyl anion, triple bonded anion. Tell me, Nana. Year 1, year 2, year 3. I told you now only, which is minus I more. This is sp3 carbon single bond, double bonded carbon sp2, single bonded sp. I told you very clear electronegativity, sp carbon more than sp2 than sp3. Similar way, minus I character also same. Here sp carbon minus I character more than sp2 than sp3. So minus I character more means stability more. That's why triple bonded one is more stable. So HC triple bond minus more stable than CH2 double bond, CH minus, then CH3 CH2 minus. Like this, very clear. Minus I groups increase the stability of anion. Plus I groups decrease the stability of anion. Nana. Like this here, you can write anion stability also. Anion stability also. Anion stability. Okay, na? That is about anion stability. Next one, important character, acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Here, you know, COH groups are there, acid, acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Acid means which releases H plus ion is considered as acid. Which releases H plus ion or H plus ion donors are called as acids. H plus ion donors are called as acids, Nana. Okay, we'll check. Now carboxylic acid donate H plus ion or not. Carboxylic acids are there. Whether those donate H plus ion or not, we'll check. Okay, na? Now acidic nature. Acidic nature of carboxylic acid. So whenever acid I am taking RCOH groups, Nana, like this acid. So if here this H plus ion released, you will get here RC double bond O minus, and here I told you here H plus. In solution, this releases H plus. Due to H plus, we are saying this is acidic in nature. Careful ga vinandi. Ikka nenu 2 direction rastant a reaction nana. Ila arrow symbol unte dini forward antam, ituvaipu unte backward. Forward backward unte dani emantaru reversible. దీన్నే ఈక్లిబ్రియం స్టేట్ అంటాం. ఈక్లిబ్రియంలో ఉన్నాయి. ఫార్వర్డ్ బ్యాక్ రెండు జరిగితే అది ఈక్లిబ్రియం స్టేట్ అంటాం నానా. ఇప్పుడు ఈక్లిబ్రియం ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు కాన్స్టాంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ దాన్ని KA అని రాస్తాం నానా. KA మీన్స్ యాసిడ్ డిసోసియేషన్ కాన్స్టాంట్. Here acid undergoes dissociation. No, that's why this is. Generally, we'll write equilibrium constant equal to productant concentration by reactant concentration. What is the productant here? CO minus and here H plus. Here this is productant, then here reactant, nana, COOH. This is reactant, these are the productant. Anywhere you can write, anywhere equilibrium means productant by reactant. anywhere product and by reactant. Okay na? Product and concentration by reactant. Okay. So then here H plus ion number is more, then Ka value more. Here you check H plus ion, Ka directly proportional. Numerator, this is H. H numerator means Ka directly proportional. So means H plus ion value more, Ka value more. Or H plus ion number more, acidic nature more. That's why we can write acidic character directly proportional to Ka value. You know pH, 10th class lo kuda undi pH. pH బదులుగా I can write pKa. Ka కి ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ ఉంటుంది pKa. ఇలా ఇక్కడ Ka వాల్యూ మోర్ ఉంటే pKa వాల్యూ లెస్ ఉంటుంది నానా. అంటే ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ కి Ka వాల్యూ మోర్ ఉంటే ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ మోర్, pK వాల్యూ ఉంటే లెస్ నానా. మీకు తెలుసు pH అంటే ఎవర్రా? ఎవరు? మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ H ప్లస్ నానా. మరి వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ POH రా? P పవర్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్. ఇక్కడ పవర్ లో ఏది రాస్తున్నాం అదే, అంటే మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ OH కాన్సంట్రేషన్. ఓకేనా? అదర్వైజ్ P పవర్ X అంటే ఎవరు? మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ X కాన్సంట్రేషన్. ఒకవేళ ఇది కాన్స్టాంట్ అయితే, P పవర్ Y కాన్స్టాంట్ అయితే మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ Y. ఇది వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ కాన్స్టాంట్ అయితే డైరెక్ట్లీ మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ Y. ఓకేనా? నా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మరి, వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ pKa? జనరల్ ఆర్డర్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ నానా. ఇది Ka వాల్యూ కాన్స్టాంట్ కనుక ఏమైతుంది? మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ Ka. మరి సిమిలర్ వే pKb అంటే B అంటే బేస్ నానా, సింబల్ మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ Kb. ఏదైనా మైనస్ లాగ్లలో రాస్తే దాన్ని P పవర్, దాన్ని pH స్కేల్ అంటాం. pH scale means whatever concentration term in a negative log that is represented in the form of P power something. ఆ P power ఉన్నదాన్ని ఏమనాలి? pH scale అనాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేను pH scale. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటి రాస్తే ఏమైతుంది? మీరు ఇలా ఉంది. ఇంకా ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని? pK is equal, ఈ మైనస్ సింబల్ తీసి ఏమైతుంది? 1/K అవుతుంది. ఇది 1/K, మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని 1/K గా రాసుకుంటా నేను. ఓకేనా? సో అంటే ఇప్పుడు pKa కి Ka ఎట్లా ఉంది? రివర్స్ లేదు, రివర్స్. దట్స్ వై అదే ఇక్కడ రాశా నేను. Ka వాల్యూ దేనిపై డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది? H ప్లస్ RCO మైనస్. ఇక్కడ ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ అంటే మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ H ప్లస్. ఇక్కడ మోర్ H ప్లస్ ఉంటే Ka వాల్యూ మోర్ అండ్ pK వాల్యూ లెస్ నానా. రేపు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అడుగుతారు, pK ఆర్డర్ అడుగుతారు, Ka ఆర్డర్ అడుగుతారు, అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ఎసిడిక్ నేచరే. మరి ఎలా చెప్పాలి ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్? ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అయిందని ఏమంటాం? కార్బాక్సిలేట్ యానయాన్. ఓకేనా? ఈ కార్బాక్సిలేట్ యానయాన్ స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది కనుక H ప్లస్ ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ అయింది. Here carboxylate anion more stable. Carboxylate anion more stable నానా. దట్స్ వై H ప్లస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇది H ప్లస్ ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ అవ్వాలంటే దీని ఇటువైపు ఎవరు సంథింగ్ లాగే వాళ్ళు కావాలి. ఈ బాండ్ ఇటువైపు లాగితే అప్పుడు H ప్లస్ క్లీవ్ అయిపోతుంది. మరి బాండ్ లాగే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు? లాగడం అంటే విత్ డ్రాయింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ COO, ఇక్కడ H. ఈ బాండ్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ బాండ్ ఇటువైపు లాగాలి, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ క్లీవేజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ బాండ్ ని ఇటువైపు లాగితే ఇక్కడ బాండ్ క్లీవ్ అవుతుంది H ప్లస్. మరి ఇటువైపు లాగాలంటే ఇక్కడ R గ్రూప్ ఏమై ఉండాలి? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఉండాలనా, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పంపింగ్ ఉండాలనా? తీసుకునేవి కావాలి. లాగడం అంటే గుంజుకోవడం, తీసుకోవడం. లాక్కోవడం. మరి లాగే గ్రూప్ అంటే ఎవరు నాన్న ఇక్కడ? -I గ్రూప్. ఓకేనా? anion -I గ్రూప్ అంటే ఇక్కడ -I groups are there. Acidic nature increases. +I groups are there. Acidic nature decreases. ఓకే, ఇలా -I గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటే acidic nature ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, +I గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటే acidic nature డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది నాన్న. మీరు విత్డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ ఎవరు, డోనార్స్ ఎవరో చెక్ చేస్తే క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు acidic నేచర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. జాగ్రత్త వినాలి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అందులో ఒకటే అంటే ఈ 2 లైన్ చాలు. విత్డ్రాయింగ్ ఉంటే acidic నేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, డోనార్ ఉంటే acidic డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆ 2 పాయింట్ ఉంటే ఏ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చినా రాయొచ్చు మీరు. అందుకోసం ఫస్ట్ చెప్పేటప్పుడే జాగ్రత్త వినమంట నేను ఏదైనా, సరేనా? ఇప్పుడు మరి మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఫార్మిక్ యాసిడ్, సింగిల్ కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫార్మిక్ యాసిడ్. ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ రెడ్ యాంట్ అనుకున్నాం, ఎర్ర చీమల్లో ఉండే యాసిడ్ అది. తర్వాత ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ అనుకున్నాం, ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ వినిగర్. నౌ ప్రొపనోయిక్ యాసిడ్. Like this, different acids are given, Nana. Then what is our answer? Here CH3 group acting as what? +I. Ethyl group also +I. I told you +I is there, acidic nature decreases. +I ఉంటే acidic nature decrease అవుతుందిరా. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఎవరు? acidic order. Formic acid more acidic than acetic acid. Acetic acid more than propanoic acid. Acidic acid more than propanoic acid. మరి what about the Ka order? Ka value. దేని Ka value more? Acidic nature more ఉన్నదాని Ka value more. So acidic nature Ka value అంటే formic acid. Formic acid Ka value more than acetic acid, more than propanoic acid. ఓకేనా? More than propanoic acid. Okay. Answer. Now what about the pK value? pK value less ఉంటే acidic nature more. మరి pK value దేనికి more ఉంటది? 3. less acidic దాని యొక్క pK value more than 2, then 1. Like this, any example is given, they will ask questions here. Acidic nature. Okay na? Next example here. Acetic acid. Nitroacetic acid. Trifluoroacetic acid. Chloroacetic acid, Nana. So I am writing acetic acid, nitroacetic acid, trifluoromethylacetic acid, chloroacetic acid. Different acids are given. Now tell me which is more acidic. Here NO2 is what here? -I. Withdrawing. CF3 also -I. Cl also -I. So wherever -I is there, I told you acidic nature increased. -I character is there, acidic nature increased. Acidic character increased. Okay na? Now among this -I character, NO2 greater than CF3 greater than Cl. So then tell me, Nana, acidic order, acidic nature. Here nitro. Second one is more acidic than third. Third is more acidic than 4. 4 is more acidic than 1. Okay. So like this here, acidic nature, acidic order. Now Ka value, wherever acidic nature more, that is having greater Ka value. That's why 2, 3, 4, 1. Whatever the pK value, Nana, reverse to acidic nature. Here less acidic one having greater pK value. Less acidic one having greater pK value. That's the answer 1, 4, 3, 2. So like this here, any example is given, you can write easily acidic nature. Next example here, acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid. Answer. Here chloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid, Nana, trichloro, tri-mono. Then tell me answer. Here 1 chlorine, 1 minus I, 2 chlorine, 2 minus I, 3 chlorine, 3 minus I. Number of minus I increases, acidic nature also increases. Number of minus I increased. Number of minus I increased. Number of minus I increased. More number of minus I, more acidic nature. Now like this answer, more minus I, then tell me answer, Nana, acidic nature. 4 is more acidic than 3, 3 is than 2, 1. What is our K value? Same. Fourth one having more K value than 3, than 2, than 1. Next pK value 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this here, values are there. Depends on withdrawing and donor, we are explaining. Next example. Fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid, iodoacetic acid, Nana. Now which is more acidic? Fluorine minus I, chlorine minus I, bromine minus I, iodine minus I. All are minus I. But among halogen, have given very clearly, here fluorine minus I more than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. So minus I increase the acidic nature. That is important. Now acidic character. First fluoroacetic acid more acidic than chloro, then bromo, then iodo. So here minus I character important. More minus I is there, more acidic character. More minus I, more acidic character, Nana. So whatever the Ka value, wherever acidic nature more, that compound having greater Ka value. That's why one is more acidic means first compound having greater value, then second, then third, then fourth. Next, whatever the pK value, reverse 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, Nana. So like this value you can write. Okay. Ka value, Ka. pKa, acidic nature. Okay. Then answer. Next example, 4-carbon acid is called a butyric acid. Butyric acid. Now adjacent COH carbon, adjacent alpha, next carbon beta, next carbon gamma, like that. Next example, butyric acid at alpha carbon NO2. Alpha acid. Now butyric acid NO2 having at beta carbon. NO2 having gamma carbon. Alpha, beta, gamma. All are butyric acid only. All are having NO2. First one is not there. Second, third, fourth having NO2. 3 are having withdrawing. 3 are having withdrawing. Then answer, Nana. What is the difference? Position. Here NO2 at alpha. Here NO2 at beta. Here NO2 at gamma. Position important, Nana. I told you. Whenever inductive effect near, effect is more. By increasing distance, effect is decreased. Effect is decreased. Answer. So here NO2 near means withdrawing effect more on COH. Beta means effect decrease. Gamma means from COH distance is more. That's why relative position important here. Near is there, effect is more. Away is there, effect is less. Length increase, effect decreased. So near, distance less, that withdrawing effect more. That's why alpha is more acidic than beta. Beta is more acidic than gamma, Nana. Now acidic order. Acidic order. Second is more acidic than third. Third is more acidic than 4. 4 is more acidic than 1. So relative position important. Based on withdrawing, we can explain Ka value. Acidic nature more, Ka value more. That's why second more than third. Third than 4 than 1. pK value reverse to acidic nature. Reverse to acidic nature here 1, 4, 3, 2. So like this here acidic nature we can write Ka, pKa. Okay na? So based on inductive effect I am explaining all these. Inductive effect very clear, very important. Based on that we are explaining all these conditions. Okay na? So today we'll stop. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining. Okay. Now we'll stop our class. Next class, maths class. We'll stay. అక్కడే ఉండండి. ఈ లోపు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఏది ప్లస్ అయి ఏది మైనస్ అయి నేర్చుకోండి, చదువుకోండి. మీకు చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఎంత నేర్చుకుంటే అంత ఈజీగా అవుతుంది